Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting immediately. Unbox the G535 and charge it until the LED indicates full. Once charged, connect the USB-C cable or insert batteries and press the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Make sure you see the pairing LED blinking. This tells you the headset is discoverable. If you're using a dongle, leave it unplugged until the headset is on. Once done, prepare your PC or console so the next step, pairing and drivers, goes smoothly. Now you'll pair and ensure drivers are correct. Plug the USB receiver directly into a main USB port. Don't use a hub, then launch Logitech G Hub or allow your operating system to auto-install drivers. You may need to restart the computer after installation. Do that if prompted. Put the headset into pairing mode and press the receiver's connect button if it doesn't auto-bind. Make sure the headset shows as an audio device and microphone in your sound settings before moving on to calibration. To finish, adjust the mic boom and tweak sensitivity within the app. Test with a short recording to confirm clarity. Set the G535 as the default playback and input device in your system sound settings, then enable 3D audio or EQ profiles if you want spatial sound. Make sure volume limits and side tone are comfortable. If something goes wrong, reboot the headset and PC, repair the receiver, and check for firmware updates. This single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.